The Kansas Conflict of Interests laws are of fundamental importance to the workings of state government. They draw the line between private interests and public trust, which must be guarded carefully. Efforts to clarify and enforce the line are increasingly important as public concern mounts over abuses of the public trust. The Conflict of Interests statutes provide for the filing of statements of substantial interests, a code of conduct making it illegal for state officers and employees to be involved in certain conflicts, and the issuance of advisory opinions by the Commission. State government officials' Statement of Substantial Interests forms are available for public inspection from the Kansas Secretary of State's website. Local officials' statements are available in the office of their city or county election officer. What you cannot do. As a general rule, you are prohibited from soliciting or accepting a free or discounted meal, the value of which exceeds $40, from a source outside state government. Exceptions to the meal rule are meals motivated by a personal or family relationship, beverages and snack foods not offered as part of a meal, meals provided at public events which you attend in your state capacity, meals provided to you when it is obvious the meal is not being provided because of your state position, meals provided at the time you make a speech you provide in your state capacity, meals provided to you at an event or meeting when your attendance at that event or meeting serves a legitimate state interest, and your agency authorizes your attendance. Meals provided by a lobbyist if they properly report the expenditure. As a state employee, you are prohibited from soliciting or accepting any gift because of your official position. This includes, but is not limited to, speakers' gifts, pens, keychains, mugs, and flowers. You may not designate a friend, family member, or entity, for example, a charity, to receive a gift that you cannot receive. Exceptions to the gift rule are gifts valued at less than $40 given at ceremonies or public functions when attended in your capacity as a state employee, gifts from relatives or personal friends, gifts accepted on behalf of the state that become the property of the state. You are prohibited from accepting gifts in the form of entertainment. Entertainment includes free or discounted tickets or passes to events such as plays, concerts, games, golf, hunting, fishing, and other recreational activities. You may not receive discounted or complimentary registration fees to attend conferences and seminars from any person or company because of your official position unless your agency would be willing to pay for the registration fee. You may not accept travel and/or lodging provided to you because of your official position by any person or company. An exception to this travel expense rule exists when the state agency would be willing to pay your expenses for travel, lodging, and related expenses.